Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve login problem on TikTok app. To know how to fix or how to solve login problem on TikTok app, you should just go to settings. After that, you'll enter two apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll search about the application of TikTok and you can click here in this page. After that, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.